Hi, I have recently reviewed a variety of dongle DAC cams that come in different sizes, price tags, DAC chips and many other features. Today I will try to answer the question, how do all these dongles compare to each other in three key dimensions: sound performance, price and features. The dongles that I will be putting to the test are the Shanling UFO, the Simgot G4X, the Aune Yuki, the Fiio KA17, the QStyle M12 and the iBasso DC Elite. To visualize this information, I use the prioritization matrix diagram, a common tool in business management that helps with prioritization and decision making. Let's take a look at how it appears. On the horizontal axis, we have the performance values that I scored for each device on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 representing the highest sound performance and 1 representing the poorest. On the vertical axis, we have the price values for each device scored on a scale from 1 to 10, where 10 is the least expensive and 1 the most expensive. The third dimension represents the number of features. In this case, I defined 10 key features and scored the devices on a scale from 1 to 10 based on them. This is visualized in the graph by the size of the bubble. The larger the bubble, the more features the device has. The entire graph is divided into 4 sections. The top right, which features top pick devices, the bottom right, which showcases devices worth considering based on a higher price tag, the bottom left, which is the keep looking section, and the top left, which highlights devices worth considering based on some key features that they may have. Based on the results from the analysis, let's plot all the data on the graph and start the discussion. My first observation would be that in the top pick section, 5 out of 7 devices are listed, indicating that the majority of the devices are generally competitive with each other. Overall, we have 2 devices that lead in terms of performance to price ratio: the Fiio KA17 and the Simgot G4X. The KA17 is your best bet in the higher price category, offering a fuller package of features. On the other hand, the G4X excels in the budget category, providing a more portable and convenient device with a cool design. When you move to the iBasso DC Elite, you will notice that it surpasses everything else in terms of sound quality. It also comes with a steep price tag, and it falls into the category of worth considering if you prioritize top performance and cost is not a concern. The Shanling UA4 strikes a balance with decent performance for its price, along with a feature set that edges out the Aune Yuki. The Aune Yuki, while offering similar performance, have fewer features and a higher price tag than the UA4. Lastly, although unique in their own ways, I don't consider the QStyle M12 and the Lotto Po S1 as competitive enough in today's marketplace. If you found this approach helpful in comparing devices, please let me know in the comments below, along with any other feedback to improve the content. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Until the next time, happy listening!